Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create some space by clearing your TikTok data. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you've been recording a lot of TikTok videos and saving them in your drafts, or you're downloading new effects or sound to create your TikTok videos, then you'll be using a lot of data on your TikTok app. So let me show you how to clear this data so your iPhone or your Android phone runs more smoothly. So to do this, you're going to first go to Profile at the bottom right. Next, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right. And now here, you're going to tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see Clear Cache. As you can see, Clear Cache is currently at 700 megabytes. So whatever data you have in your TikTok app, it's currently using about 700 megabytes. So to clear this, you want to go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. So once you do this, you'll be regaining some space by clearing those TikTok data. So there you go. That is how to create some space by clearing your TikTok data. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.